Hey guys, and this is Samsung One UI 9 internal beta running on my Samsung S26 Ultra. It's based on Android 17 and Samsung have made some exciting changes in here. So in the software information section, you guys can see it says One UI version 9.2 based on Android 17, and we also got a new Easter egg with A17 logo in here. Starting with the lock screen, no change whatsoever in the customization section. We have same clock styles, same widgets, and even the same wallpaper effects. The clock styles as always look great, and the dynamic clock work fine with all the wallpapers. The moment you all were waiting for, so now bar music player has a stunning wave animation which changes color according to the music playing. Even when expanding the now bar, we have a whole new UI for the now playing. So we have new wave animation with glowing slider, separate play/pause and playback buttons. So a gorgeous UI overall. Same can be found in the live activities and quick settings now playing music player. In the quick settings, the brightness slider and volume sliders are now thicker and are separate from the dark mode and volume control buttons. Here's One UI 9.2 and One UI 8.5 side by side, and you guys can see the brightness slider is a lot thicker compared to what it was in One UI 8 and One UI 8.5. This is a really handy change because adjusting brightness and volume is something we do all the time, so having these sliders thicker and easier to access just make the overall experience much better and more practical for daily use. On the home screen, we have a new dedicated widget for Bixby which has a voice and keyboard buttons for quick access to Bixby. You guys can resize this widget as well and it works great. In the settings, we have a new warranty and care settings which shows all the linked devices to your Samsung account. Like I have the Z Fold 7, S25 and S24 Ultra and their warranty status right here. We also have a new feature to share files, Tap to Share, which lets you tap your phone against another phone while gallery, contacts or quick share is open, and it's gonna instantly share that file. Samsung and Google have done some security and privacy improvements as well. The animations are fast and smooth, no lag whatsoever. The battery life has been decent so far, but I haven't really noticed any major drop or improvement. Subscribe for iOS 26 versus One UI 9 video soon. This all guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.